Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to create an AI video using a brand new website. And the best part is, it's super easy and simple to do. We'll make the entire video using the same character throughout, with just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you everything step by step. How to generate AI voice. How to create an AI video. How to enhance the video quality. I've explained everything clearly in this video, and it only takes 5 minutes to watch. So stay with me till the end, and you'll understand it all. Important, make sure to watch the video completely. If you skip it, you might miss some important steps and get confused. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. It helps both you and me. And don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions related to AI or anything I showed in this video, feel free to drop a comment. I will definitely reply with the right answer. So, let's get started. Here's how we can easily create an AI video. Step 1. First of all, search for LTX Studio and click on it. It will appear in front of you. Then click on Start and log in with your Gmail ID. Once your Gmail ID is connected, some conditions will appear. Read them carefully, then click on Accept at the top for both checkboxes, and also click on the blue Accept button at the bottom. After that, a new screen will show up. Now you'll be asked, are you a designer, writer, student, teacher, or a creative? Select the options that best describe you. I will choose any 3 options, then click on Next. On the next screen, you will see more options. Select any one of them. I'll choose the Creative Studio option and click Next again. Then more options will appear. From those, I will choose Short Film and finally click Done. Step 2. Now something like this will appear on your screen. Click on New Storyboard. 2 options will come up. Now what will we do? We will click on Develop Concept with AI. Then enter a story like this. A short story about a baby dog and a grandmother who is 55 years old, along with her 7-year-old grandson. The boy is wearing a yellow shirt and blue half sneakers. But it's not necessary to use this exact story. You can write any story you want. For example, you can create a story about a boy and his grandmother in a jungle. You can even add a grandfather if you want. Just use your imagination. Whatever kind of story you want to create, you can make it here. Step 3. After that, click on Short Film and then click on Next. Soon, your story will appear in a few seconds. Make sure to watch the full video. This will help you understand how you can create a complete video from just one prompt. Once the story appears, read through it once. If you want to make any changes, you can edit the story. Now that the story is ready, you can see it on the screen. Next, click on the Next button. This step is very important. Here, click on See All and then make sure to click on 3D Cartoon. When you do that, you will see some pre-made characters. You can check them out. If you want to create your own character, click on Add Character. Then, you can set everything according to your own preferences, like the character's name, age, clothing, etc. At the top, you can also choose any image from the given options to use for your character. Finally, click on Create Character and your new character will be added. I'll continue using these built-in characters. I'll also download them and then click on Next. Once I click Next, wait a few seconds. You'll see that the images have appeared. Now click on Generate Motion. This will start creating your video. You'll be able to see it happening live. In the same way, you need to click Generate Motion on every scene. As you do this, your video will keep getting created, step by step. After that, click on the 3 dots at the top and select Download to save your video. So this is how we create a complete animated video. Just remember to keep clicking Generate Motion on each scene, one by one. Once you do that, your entire video will be ready. Step 3. Generate Audio. Now let's generate the audio for your video. First, go to lovevoice.ai. Just search for it and click on the website. Once it opens, paste your prompt, your story or dialogue into the text box and click on Generate. Your audio will be created and ready to use. There's also another great website that I personally use and highly recommend. It's called t2sopanai.com. Search for it and open the site. Then paste your prompt there as well. The best voice, in my opinion, is Tom's voice. I use it too, and I recommend you use it as well. Click on Create Speech and your audio will be generated and ready to download.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house.
Final step. This step is very important. You can download your video, but the quality might be a little low. So, to convert it into HD quality, open CapCut. Here, I add all my clips step by step. I'll show you a few clips now just to explain. You can also edit your clips here easily. CapCut is a very good software, and I use it too. After arranging all your clips, I export the video. You can also use other apps or websites like Vimake or similar platforms to convert your video to high quality. Just upload your video there, wait a little, and your video will be ready in HD. Now, our video is ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring you a new trick.